And we're cutting across to what's happening in poll-bound Bengal. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee leading a massive rally there on the occasion of Women's Day. You see Mamata Banerjee alongside all of the TMC women leaders staging this march in Kolkata. Remember that the flashpoint is over women's safety as the Trinamool Congress is sending out a message. The TMC and Mamata Banerjee saying that they truly represent and ensure that there's women representation in Parliament as well as otherwise. Mamata Banerjee has also been taking on the BJP, saying that when the BJP talks about incidents of crimes against women, they must keep in mind what the situation is in BJP-ruled states. Remember that the Prime Minister yesterday had cited this issue of crimes against women in Bengal, to which Mamata Banerjee said that at least in Bengal, women can roam around post midnight, whereas in Uttar Pradesh, women cannot step out past 3 in the afternoon. Prema Rajaram is joining us with more details on this. Prema, huge symbolic show of strength on the occasion of Women's Day. Mamata Banerjee accompanied by top TMC women leaders marching on the streets of Kolkata. Apologies, not sure if Prema is through with us. We'll go across to her in just a bit. She's on the ground reporting on the scenes that we're seeing right now playing out in Kolkata. Mamata Banerjee walking along in this march as women leaders accompany her. The issue of women's safety being the focus point, being the face-off between the BJP and TMC on the occasion of International Women's Day. In fact, see on your screens how thousands of people have come together for this massive rally, primarily women right in front there marching with Mamata Banerjee. She's been taking one swipe after another at the BJP on the issue of safety of women, particularly citing the crime rates that have been reported in BJP-ruled states like that of Uttar Pradesh. Remember that the BJP later today, in a counter to what Mamata is doing right now, will be holding a press conference. And there you're going to be seeing all the top women leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party coming together. So right now, it's a he said, she said battle as Mamata Banerjee is pointing fingers at the incidents of crimes against women in BJP-ruled states. The BJP hitting back by talking about stats that have emerged in the state of Bengal as far as women's safety is concerned. Almost every occasion in the run-up to an election becoming politicized, even something like International Women's Day, as Mamata Banerjee, in a clear message and very symbolic photo up there, is marching along with all of her TMC leadership, all women, to send out a message that she truly ensures that there is equal representation of women in Parliament, in the Assembly as well. And that is where perhaps she's ensured that she snubs the BJP, because the Bharatiya Janata Party cannot put out this kind of a show of strength. They don't have the kind of women representation that the Trinamool Congress actually has. So on that sense, you can see that Mamata Banerjee is using that to her advantage, getting out all of the TMC women leaders there to hold this massive march. And this is what Mamata's campaign has been all about, marching on the streets of Kolkata to send out a message. Let's take this across to Anupam Mishra, who's reporting live from Kolkata.
में क्यों हाथरस जैसा कांड होता है, क्यों ऐसे मामले होते हैं जहां पर महिलाओं को बिल्कुल भी सुरक्षित महसूस नहीं किया जा सकता है। तो आरोप प्रत्यारोप की राजनीति का चरम यही है, बिंदु यही है कि महिलाओं के वोट को प्रभावित करने की कोशिश है, आकर्षित करने की कोशिश है, उनसे जुड़ने की कोशिश है। और फिलहाल ममता बनर्जी भी महिला दिवस पर जो ये मार्च कर रही हैं, इसका सीधा और साफ मकसद, उद्देश्य यही है कि महिलाओं से वो कितना जुड़ सकती हैं, सीधे तरीके से पैदल चलकर वो और ज्यादा प्रभावी करने की कोशिश कर रही हैं।
So Anupam Mishra, they're tracking the rally, getting us the latest updates. We'll be cutting across to Prema Rajaram also in just a bit. I want to highlight how the Bharatiya Janata Party is also countering this particular rally, because this is huge. You see the kind of crowds that have gathered there on the streets of Kolkata, all of them with flags of Trinamool Congress. Mamata Banerjee also sending out a message of women's solidarity on the occasion of International Women's Day. So the BJP, in response to this, they are going ahead and holding a counter press conference. Anupam Mishra is reporting from the ground.
कोलकाता में जब इस तरह का मार्च होता है तो ममता बनर्जी की कोशिश रहती है कि भीड़ कम दिखाई जाए या भीड़ कम लाई जाए, लेकिन चुनाव का माहौल है, इसलिए काफी महिलाएं यहाँ एकत्रित हुई हैं। पीछे बहुत सारी महिलाएं ममता बनर्जी के साथ चल रही हैं। इसके अलावा एक जो जत्था है वो आगे की ओर चल रहा है, सर पे कलश लेके। तो उस कलश पे लिखा हुआ है जय बांग्ला, या इसी तरह के नारे, बंगाल को, ममता को गर्वित करने के लिए जो नारे लिखे गए हैं, उस तरह के नारे हाथ में लेकर, कटआउट हाथ में लेकर महिलाएं चल रही हैं। तो हर 1000-2000 के आसपास महिलाएं इस रैली में हमें साफ दिख रहा है शामिल हुई हैं।
This one.
We'll keep going across to our reporters to tell you really what's happening on the ground as Mamata Banerjee is leading this massive rally that's expected to go on for quite some time. She's walking and marching alongside all of her women leaders. And as I was mentioning earlier, the BJP will be holding a press conference later today where all the women leaders will be coming together.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.